In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove tags in bulk on Shopify. Whether you're just starting out or already have an established online store, managing tags efficiently can save you a significant amount of time and effort. Let's dive into the first step of adding tags in bulk to your products. First, you'll want to navigate to the Products section of your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, select the option to add a new product. This area is where you'll input all the vital details about your product. Start by entering the product's title and then move on to the description. Make sure both of these accurately reflect what your product is all about to attract potential customers. When filling out the media section, upload relevant images or videos that showcase your product in the best light possible, as visual appeal can make a big difference in your sales performance. Now, when you scroll down a bit, you'll find the Tags section. Tags are essentially keywords or labels you assign to your products to make them easier to categorize and find. In this section, you should type in any trending tags relevant to your product or any other tags that align with your marketing strategy. For instance, if it's a seasonal product, consider tags that correspond to the current season or popular events. Once you're satisfied with the details and tags you've entered, make sure to save your changes. This ensures all the information, including your carefully selected tags, is securely stored in your Shopify store. Shift your focus now to removing tags in bulk. Return to the main products list in your dashboard. Here you'll see all the products in your store listed. To start the process of removing tags, tick the checkbox next to each product that you wish to update. If you have many products and want to remove tags from all of them, there's usually a Select All option to help streamline this process. With the products selected, look for the ellipsis button, denoted by 3 horizontal dots, often found near the top or side of the Products section. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, choose the option to remove tags. By selecting this, you'll be able to clear the tags from all the products you've previously checked. This bulk removal feature is particularly handy if you've decided to streamline or update your tagging system to enhance product searchability or to comply with new marketing trends. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to efficiently add and remove tags in bulk for your Shopify products. By using these methods, you can maintain an organized product catalog that aligns with your business goals and provides a better shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your Shopify store.